Hey guys, welcome back. Today we will learn how to create Misty Rose's filter in Lightroom Mobile. Here are some sample photos before and after effects. First open the Lightroom. Next go to the lights. Exposure to 0.25. Bring the contrast down to -17. -89 for the highlights. Increase the shadow up to 16. -79 for the whites. And increase blacks up to 33. Now select curve and follow the instructions. Next go to color. 17 for the temperature. And vibrance to 25. Saturation down to -21. Now let's select mix to mix the colors. First choose red. Hue to down, 10. 11 for saturation. And 13 for luminance. Next go to orange. 4 for hue. Bring saturation to 8 mm. For luminance. Now go to yellow. Hue down to -80. Saturation to 19. And luminance to 47. Now move to green. -90 for hue. Saturation down to 89. And 96 for luminance. Now move to aqua. Hue down to 34. -9 for saturation. And luminance to 13. Increase hue of purple to 9. Now move to pink. 10 for hue and luminance. Done. Let's move to effect. 40 for clarity. And 2 for vignette. Grain amounts to 5. $25 for the size and $29 for roughness. Let's move to details. 17 for sharpening. Radius to 1.00. 13 for details. And noise reduction for 17. 28 for details. Color noise reduction to 21. Details to 34. And 23 for smoothness. Switch on lens profile correction. Now save the picture. Hope you enjoyed the tutorial. Subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon. And don't forget to like the video.